Hello students in grade 12. In this video I'm going to explain the differentiation of implicit function. First we need to know the difference between explicit function and implicit function. If we have this function y equals 5x squared minus 3x, this is called the implicit function. What is the derivative? It's easy. dy by dx equals 10x minus 3. This is called implicit function because we can write y as a subject. So we can get easily dy by dx. What about this function? 5y squared minus 3yx plus 7 equals 0. This is called the implicit function because not possible to write y as a function of x. How can we get dy by dx in this function? So this is our topic. This is called implicit function. Before to go on this topic, let us revise the derivative. If we have here d by dx, so follow me please, d by dx 5x squared. What is the derivative of this function? So the derivative of this function is the power comes down, 2 times 5 it's 10x, multiply the derivative of x with respect to x. dx by dx is 1. So we don't write dx by dx because dx by dx is 1. What about this? d by dy 5x squared. In this part we write the power comes down, 2 times 5 10x, the derivative of x with respect to 2y. So we write here dx by dy. Another example, d by d theta, for example, 5x squared. What is the answer of this one? The power comes down, 2 times 5 it's 10x, multiply the derivative of x with respect to theta. So it's a dx by d theta. Now, what is the general rule for this? d by dx, y to the power n. It's like bracket to the power. The power comes down, minus 1 from the power, multiply the derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx. So this is the rule. Now, how can we find the dy by dx for this question? We go back to this one. 5y squared minus 3yx plus 7 equal to 0. We differentiate with respect to x because we need dy by dx. So we differentiate with respect to x. So the derivative of 5y squared, the power comes down, 2 times 5 it's 10y, multiply the derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx. Minus, take care, this is a product rule, y times x. So first multiply derivative of second, y multiply by 1, plus the second, which is x, multiply the derivative of first, dy by dx, plus the derivative of 7 is 0. All of this equal to 0. We simplify. So 10y dy by dx minus, we distribute 3 times y, it's a 3y, minus 3x dy by dx equal to 0. We take dy by dx common factor and shift negative 3y to the other side. Then we write bracket, it's a 10y minus 3x dy by dx equals 3y. What do we need? We need dy by dx. So we divide by this bracket. So dy by dx equals 3y over 10y minus 3x. Let us we see this question in, it is try by yourself 15 in future in mathematics. We need the equation of the normal at this point. So first we differentiate. So differentiate with respect to x because we need dy by dx. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So the rule is that the power comes down. So 3 minus 1 from the power. Multiply what? Multiply the derivative of inside bracket. Derivative of x is 1, which is dx by dx. Derivative of y is dy by dx. This equal the other side. Derivative of x squared, it's 2x. Derivative of y is dy by dx. Don't simplify. We need the value of dy by dx at 1 and 0. So in that equation, we replace x by 1 and y by 0 in that equation to get dy by dx. So at the point 1 and 0, replace x by 1. So it's 3. 1 plus y equals 0 squared. Multiply 1 plus dy by dx equals 2 times 1 plus dy by dx. It's easy to get dy by dx. 1 plus 0 equals 1 squared. 1 times 3, it's 3. Distribute 3 over this bracket, so it's 3 plus 3 dy by dx equals 2 plus dy by dx. Now, collect the like terms. So we move dy by dx to this side and the 3 to this side. So in this one here, we write 3 dy by dx minus dy by dx equals 2 minus 3. 3 minus 1 equals 2. So 2 dy by dx equals 2 minus 3, negative 1. From this, dy by dx at this point, it means m. So m, which is dy by dx at the point 1 and 0 equals negative 1 over 2. Now we can get the equation of normal. Do you remember the equation of normal? The equation of normal is y minus y1 negative 1 over m x minus x1. So the equation of normal at this point, this is x1 and this is y1. So y minus y1 negative 1 over m. M it's a negative half. X minus x1 minus 1. Negative cancel with negative. 1 over half, it's 2. So y equals 2 bracket x minus 1. So y equals 2x minus 2. We solve that question. The gradient it means dy by dx, of the curve at 1 and negative 1. We differentiate with respect to x. 2 times 6, it's 12x minus 2 times 3, 6y, remember, dy by dx. Equals what? Differentiation of 3 is 0. What we do? Replace x by 1 and y by negative 1 in that value. So it's 12 multiply 1 minus 6 multiply negative 1 dy by dx equal to 0. 12 go to the other side, it becomes negative 12, and negative 6 times negative 1 positive 6. So 6 dy by dx equals negative 12. Divide by 6, so dy by dx equals negative 12 divided by 6, negative 2. So the correct answer is negative 2. Look at question number 2. Y equals tan u and u equals e to the power x. So u is a function of x. We need that one. What do you notice? Y is a function of u, so we can get dy by du. So dy by du, the differentiation of tan is sec squared u, du by du equals 1. So we finished because it is function of u. The second part, we need du by dx. U is a function of x, So du by dx, it is e to the power of x, multiply dx by dx, which is 1. Finished. In this part, dy by dx, note that dy by dx equals dy by du over dx by du. So, dy by dx equals dy by du. dy by du, it is sec squared u over dx by du, but we have du by dx. If we flip this, so we can get dx by du. It's 1 over e power x. So it's 1 over e power x. We simplify. So it is e power x sec squared u. Look at this piece. Y equals tan u. So tan u equals y. When we draw a triangle, this is the angle u. Tan, it is opposite over adjacent. We can get this one. It is the square root of 1 squared plus y squared. So sec u, inverse of cosine. So cosine 1 over. So sec, it's radical 1 plus u squared. What about sec squared? Sec squared u equals 1 plus y squared. So we write this as e power x bracket 1 plus y squared. Let us we see question number 18. Find the stationary point. He said stationary points, so more than 1 point. At a stationary point, dy by dx equals 0. So we differentiate with respect to x and equate dy by dx by 0. So differentiate. 2 times 4, it's 8x plus, take care, 2 times 9, it's 18, y dy by dx equal 36y. The derivative of 36y, it is 36 dy by dx. Now, shift this to the other side. So 8x equals 36 minus, 36 dy by dx minus 18. So we take 36 minus 18y dy by dx. From this we can get dy by dx. So dy by dx equals 8x over 36 minus 18y. At stationary points, dy by dx equals 0. So we equate this by 0. We can write 0 as 0 over 1. And then we do scissors, cross multiplication. So 8x times 1, it's 8x. 0 times anything equals 0. So 8x equals 0 divided by 8. So x equals 0. We need to get y. We do substitution in the given equation. So we replace x by 0 in the given equation. So it's 4 multiply 0 squared plus 9y squared equal 36y. So from this, we can write 9y squared minus 36y equals 0. Take care, set points. It means more than 1 point. We take y as a common factor. So it is 9y minus 36 equals 0. From this, y equals 0 or 9y equals 36. It means y equals 36 divided by 9 equals 4. So stationary. Points, it means ordered pair. X equals 0 and y equals 0. Or x equals 0 and y equals 4. So this is the solution. Question 35. How to solve this? Already we have dy by dx, so we need the second derivative. Remember this product function. So d2y by dx2 equals, first multiply derivative of second. So 5x multiply derivative of y, which is dy by dx, plus the second, which is y, multiply the derivative of first. Derivative of 5x is 5. But we need the answer in terms of x and y. So what we do, we substitute for dy by dx by 5xy. So d2y by dx2 in terms of x and y equals the 5x bracket 5xy plus y times 5, 5y. Simplify. 5 times 5, 25, x squared y plus 5y. Question number 44. We solved that question together in past page. Now we read the given. It has minimum point at. It means the derivative of the first derivative at this point is 0. So we have f of dash x. It means f of dash a equals 0. So we replace x by a and equate the result by 0. So it's a minus 2 bracket e power negative a. So this equal to 0. Why? Because it said minimum point at a and 0. It means f of dash a equals 0. We need to solve this. So this product equals 0. So the first part equals 0 or the second part equals 0. So a minus 2 equals 0 or e power negative a equals 0. Actually, this is refused. E power anything cannot be 0. So this is refused. Cannot be 0. So accept a minus 2 equals 0. From this, negative 2 go to the other side. So a equals 2. So the answer is a equals 2. I hope you understand this lesson. Thank you.